It's busy season at the distribution center. Steve is hard at work preparing for the hectic months ahead. Rack protection is top of mind at this time of year. An increase in sales means people and product will be moving through his pick aisles constantly, a textbook environment for increased accidents. Steve's priority is to protect his employees when they are working in or near the rack area. Kogan back of rack guards are the perfect addition to the rack protection Steve already has in place. Rigid and resilient, rack guard panels bolt directly to the back of each rack bay, placing a sturdy barrier between stored materials and the exposed aisles below. This will shield Steve's employees from dangerous falling debris should a forklift bump the racking or if a pallet breaks. The wire mesh construction also means Steve's inventory is visible at all times, allowing for fast visual assessment and proper ventilation. This keeps operations efficient and reduces the risk of fire hazards. And because safety can't wait, Kogan rack guards are always in stock and ready to ship. When it comes to your warehouse, be like Steve and make rack protection your top priority. Contact us today for a free estimate.